after that, I want to give you something. Oh, I brought you guys up? Yeah, you just made my day. The people will love the food. Open it up and check it out, bro. Yeah, bro. You know it, man. God bless you too, man. You get your own, man. Of course.
Hey y'all, but if y'all new, welcome back to my video. But if y'all new, my name is Zaya, and make y'all get tuned into this video. If y'all not new, welcome back, like hello. Okay, but today we are gonna be playing a jumping thing, and I really like playing a little bit. But guys, I got this like tie-dye dumpling. Let's go buy some more. Let's go in the machine, hunting dumpling. OMG. They have so much. I'm gonna go collect some more. And then we're gonna see if they're gonna trade for me. If I can find dumpling needles. If I can find needles right now. A huge dumpling pack. And honestly, I am so happy. We can get the red one. Okay. Come on and buy. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. Guys, I think they're going out. Oh no. I only got one. Oh my gosh, guys. This dumpling is not enough. It doesn't. Hold up, guys. Honestly, guys, I feel like it is enough. Look at how much money I just made off of you. You are the real goat. Oh, guys, they restocked. Dang it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna place it right by where we dumpling. Let's wait till it opens. Let's wait till it opens. Let's wait. Guys, I'm gonna let you guys look at it. I'm gonna close my eyes right now. Let's go. Let's see where I can get. And let's go. Let's see where I can get. Let's go. Open my eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. It's way bigger than that one. And it makes 18 a second. OMG, it is so cute. It's so cute. But guys, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have this morning. I really want that. Also, guys, for me to keep working hard, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications by getting notified every time you post a new video. Like what? Okay. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all back when we have like a bunch of money. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just got to like a lot of money, and I was honestly chilling for it. But yeah, they're still going, but we're gonna go ahead and collect this money. Then I'm gonna show you how much money we got, like when I collect them. Okay, y'all, so this is how much money I just collected. It's $3,123. Thank you. Where's that rainbow thing? Okay. Yeah, so we gonna open them at the same time, and then I'm gonna close my eyes. We did with the other one. Okay, close my eyes. Well, hold up, y'all. Okay, close my eyes. What we getting? What we getting? Hey, what we getting? What we getting? Hey, what we getting? Y'all, is it over? Let me check. 3, 2, 1. That is so cute. I honestly love it so much, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love the strawberry one. The strawberry one is my favorite now. Guys, it is so adorable. So cutesy and very demanding. But y'all, we need to go ahead and get a lot of dumplings, so I'm gonna get you guys back when we have a lot of dumplings. So stay tuned. Shut up. I got another shot. What? Here we go. You have one more? Shut up. Let me delete something. I'm sure I want to delete. And also this. Because I feel like it's not worth it. What,
Maya, Jordan said it's your age.
What is
He's 69 years old.
That's so fat.
His grandma is 58.
Exactly, and he looked like a child.
He look like a child? He does not look like a child.
Yes, he did.
Jordan?
He looked like a teen.
Jordan Matter?
No, not Jordan Matter.
That's what she's talking
Oh, you talking about Jordan Matter, Maya? She's talking about Jordan Matter. I thought she was talking about Opanova. I don't even know Nova. Guys, it's time to cook. Honestly, I'm gonna pick these up and then nobody.
You smell like sweat.
I don't really know what
Oh, girl, boo.
She just wanted that from me. Oh my god.
Let's go all the house. Where? Oh, girl, boo here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know you won't mock me. Okay. Imagine mocking someone. You heard I said mocking someone.
Let me know if I can help you with anything else. Somehow we ended up at the seriously stopped. I closed my laptop because I didn't want to be on the scene, but now I was paying attention to it. That's when I noticed his phone was out.
Two strawberries.
I'm being desperate. I did not put the sound. That was not me. You would have heard on who? Maya pulled it.
I'm about to slap.
Maya. Why did you put it, bro? I showed that you didn't hurt my foot. Nah, I'm playing. That's
Come on. watching me fall. Honestly, y'all, I think this is a lot. So let's go switching onto you for Neatos now. Let's go. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna get you back. I didn't get I honestly want Raisin King right now. Hi guys, I need to go jump somewhere else real quick. So yeah, yo, so let's try to find where the needles are. That is definitely not what their needles are. Not what their needles are. The gym. Where are these needles? Definitely not the needle. Sorry guys. If I am biting, I am rude. Bro, like I put a lot of money on my debit card. So I better have it. If they don't have everything, we have the basket. Okay, where's the basket? Here we go. We're gonna need a jar of That is not where I want to go. Oh, we're supposed to go this way. Okay. Guys, you're actually so nasty. I'm gonna go tell Mama.
It's not even a pool. Pool.
Oh, puppies. Sorry, guys. I think it's puppies. Toothpaste. Yep. And we're also going on a shopping spree, guys. So, yeah. Of course.
No ring.
Are they so old? I am I think they're sold out. I think we're gonna have to go through it. Wait, no. The needles are sold out.
Here is the real question. Chosen is top human and health course.
You're actually so stupid. I'm recording you right now. You stupid Patrick.
So why would you do that? Wait, how do you have your debit card? I have no money on that debit card.
Okay, guys. So it turned out we have to do this whole thing. Those are pepperoni. Let's go get a basket.
I'll put bologna. Let's go get a basket. Yeah, you need that Colgate. Shut up.
Shut up.
Yeah,
We are on a mission.
yeah, got you already.
Let me get covered. Fast now.
Guys, honestly, I cannot see nothing. Well, none of this stuff up here.
Where my computer at?
Over there, right there on the ground.
Where's that?
Okay.
Give it to me.
Stop.
Push it around that bed. Maya. Doing my butt.
Guys, I think we're gonna have to go to another store, so let's go ahead and go. We officially found it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Whoa. Purple ice cream. Yep. Can you shake it on my face? Oh, dude, that's so dumb. Please, purple. I really want a purple guys. The green huge one? I mean, I guess it's a dumpling. I'm really grateful that I have it, though. Bye.
No, it's more. The trios.
See, watching, Queen.